This video is a short tutorial on how to clean up your Works Cited page and create a hanging indent in Microsoft Word. You will notice that this Works Cited page has several issues. There's some strange hazing behind the text, some strange coloring. It doesn't have a hanging indent, and some of the entries are single-spaced. Let's correct some issues to begin with before we create the hanging indent. First, go up to this editing button here. Click Select and then Select All. Once you have done that, we're going directly next to it to this little drop-down arrow next to the heading styles. Drop that down and click on Clear Formatting. You will notice that our formatting now is completely different. Some of you may have single spacing, some of you may have double spacing. Let's correct all of that. First of all, let's put our Works Cited back in the center. Now, let's highlight what you want to have a hanging indent and double spacing. Once you have done that, go up here to the paragraph box. In the corner, click on the tiny arrow and open the paragraph box. Under the word Special, drop down the arrow and choose Hanging. Next, make sure your spacing before and after both say 0, 0. Then under line spacing, drop down the arrow and choose Double. Finally, check the box that says Don't add space between paragraphs of the same style and click OK. You will notice that we finally have a hanging indent with double spacing. Right here we've got an accidental extra space, so I'm going to delete that. Now, some of you might still have some problems with your font. If you have font issues, highlight the text again, and then go over here to the font box and click on the tiny arrow in the corner. Make sure your font says Times New Roman, regular style, in size 12. Then click OK. We have a few things left still to correct in order to make this a correct Works Cited. We need to italicize the titles of websites, journals, and databases. So that is National Institute of Justice here. Now we have a correctly formatted Works Cited page.